guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Kangumus. So you need some baking powder, some baking soda, some lemon, some margarine, some cinnamon as you can see, some fresh ginger or the powdered ginger, whichever you choose, some sugar, some eggs, a packet of milk, or even you can use fresh milk, a jar of water, and some flowers. So welcome guys. Now we are going to add one teaspoon of baking soda. Then here I have my baking powder, which I'm going to put in 4 teaspoons, and add some cinnamon, not too much and not too little, just enough. Then we are going to add sugar, and not too much sugar, but just enough that which will make the half cakes taste well. And now we are going to mix. As you can see, now I'm mixing all the solids. After I'm done mixing, I'm going to add some milk and some water. I knead the dough until it is well prepared. Then I'm going to leave it to rest for around 10 minutes. After it has already rested, we're going to roll it and start making our pieces. And guys, don't forget to add the margarine. Then here I am, I'm kneading. Now I'm applying some oil on the dough. Then I roll my piece of dough, roll it well to a place where it's not too thin or too thick, but the right amount, the right size of the half cake, the right kind of thickness of a half cake. I'll cut off some parts that are not necessary, and I'll continue rolling. You see, that's the kind of thickness I want for my Kangumus, as you can see. Now I'm going to cut my dough into pieces. It depends on the size that you want. You can go for smaller pieces or bigger pieces. It's you to choose. And here I'm already done. Here are my pieces. As you can see, that's how thick they are. Now I'm going to pick some 4 to 5 pieces that I'm going to place in my oil. There's my oil. It's not heated. Yeah, as you can see. Then I'm going to dunk in the dough. Now I'll put on my cooker and I'll leave it to cook for around 7 to 10 minutes, but keep on checking until the dough rises up, so as you can turn it and it cannot turn brown. As you can see, it has already risen up and it's cooking. And voila guys, there are my half cakes. Thank you for watching. God bless you till next time. Peace.